It's located on the Zambezi River that forms a part of the border between Zimbabwe and Zambia. The waterfall is over 1,708 meters wide and 108 meters high. It's one of the biggest waterfalls in the world and one of the most beautiful places you could visit. At its peak, an incredible 500 million liters of water crashes down the falls every minute, creating a thunderous roar that can be heard 40 kilometers away. The resulting spray usually rises 400 meters above the falls and causes a permanent cloud of smoke, so you get where all the smoke that thunders is coming from. 5. Canola flower fields, Luoping, China. Yellow is a bright, alluring color that breathes life into all it comes across. If you're a big fan of yellow, then this is one spot you'll have to visit. Luoping County in the area of Yunnan, China is usually quiet for most of the year until the canola blooms. The fields are grown to produce cooking oil from the canola seeds, also known as rapeseed. Come March, these fields are the favorite spot of bees, tourists, and photographers, so the best time to visit is between February and March when the flowers are blooming. Also, at the beginning of the canola season, an annual festival is held to celebrate the flowers, so you could attend that as well. 4. Machu Picchu, Peru. When a place rhymes with picture, you can almost bet it will always give breathtaking images every time. Not just that, it also plays an important role in human history by being one of the historic sites. The citadel was built sometime around the 1480s and was abandoned during the Spanish conquest of Peru. It is located on the northeast of Cusco, Peru, and offers insight into the Inca people's heritage. To get to Machu Picchu, you'll need to climb a 2,430-meter-high mountain. Reaching the summit of the site is on the bucket list of several people for good reason. It gives you the feeling of finding a lost city, bringing out the Indiana Jones in you. 3. Mount Fuji. Being Japan's most visited tourist attraction with over 300,000 visitors yearly, Mount Fuji is truly one after the hearts of many outdoor explorers. To think the mountain can only be accessed for only 2 months in a year shows how sought after this mountain is. Who wouldn't want to visit a mountain incredibly made up of 3 separate volcanoes? There's Komatake at the bottom, Kofuji in the middle, and Fuji right on top. Did I also mention the mountain is an active volcano? Oops, but don't worry about that. The volcano hasn't erupted since 1707 when it erupted for 2 weeks. That aside, the mountain trails offer an unrivaled view of the surrounding 5 lakes. It places significant to Japan's cultural and spiritual geography. It also offers some hot springs, ideal for easing the aches and pains you might have after a long day's climbing. 2. Old Bagan, Myanmar. Here's another place you have to see to believe. Located in Myanmar's Mandalay region, Old Bagan was the capital of Pagan Kingdom. During its time and the peak of the city's dominance, more than 4,400 Buddhist temples, pagodas, and monasteries were built on these plains. To date, the ruins of over 3,800 of those structures populate the area, and you can explore many of them on foot. Or you could opt for a hot balloon ride to get an aerial view of the magnificence of this place. It's one of those truly unbelievable places that will leave you breathless. The world's filled with so many waterfalls. Check out the one sent to us by a subscriber. This is undoubtedly one of nature's wonders, just as these other waterfalls. But as you can see, it's a compilation of waterfalls, and we couldn't determine if it were real or fake after we did some digging. Let's have a look. Our number 1, although it looks very dreamy, is 100% real. 1. Panjin Red Beach, China. We've explored just about the most jaw-dropping spots, from black beaches to ancient cities to technologically advanced structures. Hope you've got some awe left for just one more. Next, we got a beach that isn't covered with sand. Strange. I'll explain. The Panjin Red Beach is not like other beaches. Instead of being covered with sand, the beach is red thanks to a plant that causes the redness, if I can call it that. The Sueta salsa, or seepweed. The beach itself is located within the biggest wetland and reed marsh in the world in Liaoning province. Although the beach is closed to the public, to preserve a small portion of it is used as a tourist attraction center. Alright, comment down below which of these beautiful places is your favorite and which you'd love to visit if you haven't already. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to Forever Green, and hit the bell icon for more exciting content. See you in the next one. Peace out.